Be grateful, be thankful to everybody who has been a part of your life. You are what you are today. I am what I am today is because of whoever has come to my life. And I am thankful, I am grateful for being a part of my life for to everybody, be it the positive experiences or be it the negative experiences, because I have learned from every single experience, every single person who has come in my life, and I am grateful and I am thankful to everybody who has been a part of it, especially to those who have said me a no, especially to those who have been negative around me. Yes, they have been the biggest and the most motivating people for me. They have been the most influencing people for me, because when they said a no, when they closed the doors, I worked hard to open a door for myself. I worked hard to figure out a way that would take me to the success. I worked hard. I gave my best. When I heard a no, when I heard that no, Savan, you cannot do this. No, Savan, this is not your cup of tea. No, Savan, this is not what you are made for. I said, I am made for. I am made for the greatness. I am made for the success, and I will achieve that you were never able to achieve. But still, I thank you, and I think thank everyone who has been a part of my life, because you have been a great source of learning. Everybody has been a great source of learning for me. Whenever I go back, whenever I see back and want to understand what are the things that have made me what I am today, I see that I have learned from everything. I see that I have learned from the nature. I see that I implement and I do things that I have learned from the, maybe the ironing guy in my building, the guy who irons my clothes. I remember when I was a small kid, I kept looking at that guy who used to iron my dad's clothes, how meticulously and how nicely he used to make those creases and made sure that they are sharp and they stand straight whenever my dad wears them. Everybody has something to give you, everybody has something that you can learn. So do not ignore anybody, do not ignore any of the skills, do not think that you have learned everything, because there is a lot to learn and there will always be a lot to learn. The more you learn, the more you know, the more you realize that you do not know anything. I never read books. I never read books, and whenever I touched upon a book, I felt sleepy and I slept. I used to buy books. That is how most of us are. We buy books, but we do not read more than 2 3 pages of the book, because we feel boring and we sleep or something happens and we stop reading it, and then it remains in the cupboard or the shelf. And again, when we go to the bookstore, we buy one more book for ourselves that I'll be reading this, and then again the same thing happens. This kept happening for with me for a couple of years. But now when I have committed to myself that I will be reading the books, I will be taking all the knowledge that the books have. I wanted to know, why is it that all the successful people say that you should be reading these books. When I started reading the books, I have been going mad. The last book that I read, no, it's making me go crazy, with the kind of knowledge that it's giving me, with the kind of perspective that it is giving me about life, about how to live life, about everything about life, about how the successful people live their life. And the last book that I have been reading, I would suggest everybody to read this, is the 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. Wonderful book, a beautifully crafted story that will keep you hooked all through the book until the last page of the book. You would be hooked like anything, and you would love to finish it off at a go. I tried my best finishing it off at once, but we always have something or the other coming up, and I took about 3-4 days to finish it off, but it was worth it. And I am implementing in my life whatever new things I am learning. I am implementing each and everything, no matter I consider them to be good or bad. Let's try it, let's implement it and see it for myself whether it works for me or it does not work for me, because I even do not know what would work for me and what would not work for me. What I know is from what I have learned a little bit from my past, but that is not much. That is nowhere compared to what I can learn. No, that is nowhere compared to what I can experience in life. So why to limit my experience? Why to limit my learning? Why to label something as bad and good and so many things when I myself do not know anything about the world? And that is why I say I am thankful to everybody around me, and I have learned from each one of you, each one of the people, each one of the things, everything. I would say anything and everything that has come in my life, I have learned from everything, and you would be learning. You just need to be conscious, you just need to be aware, you just need to keep your eyes and your senses open, and you would see the vast amount of learnings that you can gather from a butterfly, from a lion, from a tiger, from an ant. As small as an ant gives us a lot of learnings. So why not to learn from everything that is in our environment than to be just dependent on a few science and history books? When the life is being taught, when the life is happening in the most extravagant way, in the most beautiful way, life is flowering in the most beautiful way, why do we need to read those history, civics, geography books? Why do we need to learn from those books? Or why do we need to stop learning? We should be keeping our eyes and ears and senses open to learn and experience everything that is coming in front of us, and we should never be blocking us. That is the biggest and the worst thing that we do. Slowly and slowly, as we grow big, we keep blocking these senses of learning. As a kid, we were open, we embraced everything, we learned everything from everything. But as we have grown bigger, as we have grown in age, we have limited our learning abilities, we have limited our learning capabilities, and that is why we are struggling. That is why we are suffering, because we have stopped learning. We think that we know everything when we know nothing. So do not stop learning, do not stop thanking. Feel thankful, be thankful for everything around you, and keep learning. Have a very good day from me, Savan Kumar. Bye bye.